May 10th, 2014, storm season's firing up. We were in Des Moines, Iowa this morning, and we blasted to northern Missouri, and the storms are firing up. As you can see in the background here, this supercell is dumping hard, and we see a lot of rotation on the radar. Really excited. It's definitely could produce.
Just east of Waverly. And literally, as soon as we come through this rain door, we should see the base of the thunderstorm and possibly a tornado on the ground.
I think that's a wedge in there.
It's huge. Oh yeah, look at it, Chris. It looks great on your camera.
So what do you guys want to call this in?
Ricky, you want to see a picture of it?
Yep. Oh, that is awesome.